Hello guys, tara samahan nyo kaming kumain ng aking friend ng super crispy fried chicken and super sarap na fried rice from Kowloon Restaurant. Hello guys, meron kaming order from Kowloon. Ayan. Kowloon Chinese Restaurant. Located nga pala itong Kowloon Chinese Restaurant guys dito sa may between ng Electra Street and Hamdan Street sa may Tourist Club area, Abu Dhabi City. Maganda kumain dito guys at masarap pa ang kanilang yung favorite namin na super crispy fried chicken and fried rice. Ayan, sobrang mura lang yan guys. Pwede yung hatiin into 3 persons. Pero kami ay dahil matakaw kami, yan good for 2 ay kaya naming ubusin yan. Tayo guys. Legit na crispy. Kain.